If you live in the Woodlands and you're dealing with a garage door problem, we're here to help. We provide same-day emergency garage door repair throughout the Woodlands, and we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In many emergencies, our technicians can arrive in as little as 15 minutes to get your garage door working safely again. Our experienced, certified technicians repair all major garage door brands and handle everything from broken torsion springs to complete garage door replacements when needed. No job is too big or too small for our team. When you call Easy Garage Door Repair, you'll receive honest recommendations, upfront pricing, and quality workmanship backed by years of hands-on experience. We arrive with fully stocked service vehicles so we can complete most repairs during the first visit, saving you time and getting your garage door back in working order as quickly as possible. Every repair comes with a workmanship guarantee so you can trust the job is done right the first time. We also offer free estimates before any work begins with no hidden fees. As a trusted garage door company serving the Woodlands, we always provide fast response times, reliable repairs, and outstanding customer service. Your safety and convenience are always our top priorities. If you need garage door repair in the Woodlands, don't wait for the problem to get worse. Contact Easy Garage Door Repair today and let our team restore your garage door quickly, safely, and professionally right on the same day.